I'm not sure how this video is going to go or not, but I thought I'd film this because the last time something big like this happened, the battery was flat. But currently there is a fire across the road. It's pitch black, it's something like 8, 9 o'clock at night, and currently there is lightning all around us, and we're just trying to get stuff prepared as best we can.
And I've told Liz, who's our next door neighbour, Peter's, her husband, he's fighting.
Okay, so from the sounds of it, across the river there, our neighbour, he's having a fire as well.
Yeah.
This is, you can't exactly see it over there, but over in Bull Paddock, there's a fire. That's not good. Okay, it's pretty much midnight, and the fire has jumped across to our place. It's over there. Dad and Dan, they're all over there. Fireys are there. We've lost power. We're having the genset running for dear life. I'm not sure how long it can hold for. There's one hell of a fire over there. Righto, so the fire has gotten a bit out of control. It's jumped the fence. We've lost the good feed paddock, and Racetrack East is down with the fence. Surprisingly, my dad can't shift the sheep with the Land Cruiser, so I'm going out in the Crocodile. You can see the smoke over there. They've got a bunch of crews over there trying to fight it. The fence is down, and the plan is we're going to move them into the racetrack. Hopefully they'll be safe enough there. I've had barely any sleep. Dad's only had an hour of sleep because he's been up all night trying to fight this thing. It's a pretty tense situation. So basically what happened, a lightning strike across the road at our neighbours, and Dad went to put out a smaller fire. Then a bigger one happened very, very close, and it spread. Got into the bush, jumped across to the Chook farm, now across to our place, all along the south side. I don't know where the cows are, but I hope they'll be alright. Luckily we got the crews on it, and we don't have much feed as it is, so even if it does come up through here, well, it won't be able to burn very much, that's for sure. Getting closer now. All along the south side there. I haven't seen it for myself, but bloody hell. It's a surreal thing to happen. I've never really been in a fire situation like this before. Thankfully, hopefully no one will get hurt. We just have to find our way through. Help is on the way. They got a rescue chopper up there. Hopefully he can extinguish the blaze. Okay, so another bloke went and helped Dad get the sheep in. Oh man, that is surreal. And the fact that it got real close to the chook sheds. So now we're going to have a look at the damage to see what we're in for. Hopefully the insurance can cover it, but I'm not sure. Coming up to some of the damage. Oh. too. Now it's just a smouldering wreck. Oh man. Thank God that no one was hurt in this. You can replace the feed, but they don't know when or how. There's the remains of a tree. Oh man. It's a bit of a mess over here, but like Dad told me earlier, the neighbours are a bit worse. The fire across the road there got about 50 metres from their house and they nearly lost it. We're a little bit more lucky here, but it's still a mess. Methinks we're probably going to need to source a combine or something and a chisel plough. Plough all this up and put pasture back in to help it regrow. There's a lot of feed loss and oh man, the power lines. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later. We're just out patrolling, and the ute got stuck. We're going to use the loader to push it. Hope this works. The fire's still burning away over there. There we go. Brilliant. Alright, it's close to lunchtime now and there is a willy of smoke over there and there's also another big fire. So we're going to go keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't jump the fence or anything like that. Wish us luck. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's flaring up. Looks like it's across the road. Helicopters and... oh man. It looks like it's jumped the fence again. That helicopter's just dropped to load right in between those trees over there. Stinking hot, smoke everywhere, 3 helicopters. I think the wind's changed. This is getting serious. Alright, Dad and Dan are gone. There's a chopper over there. Utes going everywhere. It's endgame, people.